This is a channeling with Archangel Michael. This is the second time you just recorded this message simply because you were not being present. And then you realize you hadn't actually turned on your mic. But yeah, here's a key message from today. It is to be in nature, to be in the presence of trees, birds, animals. In that very moment, there is a woodpecker. And so by being here in this presence of nature, of wildlife, and there is a sense of peace, calmness, and relaxation. There's a sense of high vibration, this sense of frequency which we are looking to evolve into, because at this moment in time, nature, animals have raised their vibration. And so you will notice that when you go into nature, you naturally sink and become calm and at peace. And it's why so many people like to relax, whether it's climbing mountains or walking in forests or going beaches, or whatever suits you. Because with nature, there's this sense of relaxation, this sense of peace. And yes, human beings are raising their vibration at this moment in time, which is why coming into nature and being around animals and wildlife is so important. Because it helps you to sink into that frequency yourself. But within nature teaches you to be present. All these animals and trees are all here in this present moment. They aren't worrying about what's going to happen a day or a week or a year time. They're focusing what's going on now. Even when animals fear being eaten, they aren't worrying about being eaten tomorrow. They're worrying about being eaten, or they're wary about predators being around and eating them now. So there's this sense of oneness, a sense of peace, this sense of creation. And within that, there's this idea that as human beings, we can look at the lessons that nature can teach us, the lessons of being present in our everyday. Whether that's in the office or traveling, whether that's going on walks or meeting people, whatever it is, being present and in the moment is key to really expanding our consciousness, really growing into the best version of ourselves. You can get caught up in work in every day and what I must get done, I've got to get this done, and have a to-do list and have all these ideas that we must be doing something now. We worry and we fear what might happen tomorrow or a week's time or a month's time. And 99% of the time, in this very moment, we are good, we are safe, and we are at peace. But we struggle to attune to that this moment because we are so caught up in what we must do rather than what we can do now. And so the key message that I want to get across is to learn to be present in this moment like nature. Allow ourselves to touch and feel our clothes, to feel how it feels to sit on a chair, to taste our food, to drink our water and allow that sense of water going down our throat, to witness that love that we have for our partner and family, and to witness that love in that present moment. To see a child play and be happy in the moment, to be able to witness nature as it happens, to be able to witness our head, our mind saying, oh, we must be doing this, we must be doing that. Because by observing our mind in the present moment, we can see it for what it is, which is just habits and this idea of striving. Yet in this very moment, we have all the abundance and all the things that we ever could need. So learn to be present. Thank you.